Question 6. One root of this equation is 3 times the other root. Find the values of constant m and the roots. Okay. So our roots are alpha. The other one will be 3 times the other root. So alpha and 3 alpha. So our sum of roots will be alpha plus 3 alpha. And our product of roots will be alpha times 3 alpha. So this is 3 alpha squared, this will be 4 alpha. Okay. Then we know sum of roots is also negative b over a. And product of roots will be c over a. So this is our a, b, c. Our a is 1, b is negative 8, and c is m. Okay, a is 1, not 0, 1x squared. So then we just sub this inside. So negative b over a is 4 alpha. Here, c over a is 3 alpha squared. Okay, so let's solve this. This will be 8 equals to 4 alpha. Therefore, alpha is 8 divided by 4. Here, m is 3 alpha square. We know alpha is 2. We already found this earlier. So 3 times 2 square. This will be 3 times 4, which is 12. So we found the value of m. We found alpha. So now we can write the values of the roots also. So m is 12 and the roots will be alpha and 3 alpha. So 3 times 2 is 6. This is our answer.